Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you like this look, please stay tuned, and like always, like and subscribe. And now on to the rest of the video. Guys, so today is gonna be a nice makeup look. My face is already prepped. I already have eye concealed and primed. I primed then concealed my face. I'm gonna work on my eyes, and then we'll put on some CC cream, and then we'll contour a little bit. And yeah, so I was thinking of doing like, so for this makeup look, I'm going to be using the Sephora Once Upon a palette. It's a full face palette, so it's like a all-in-one product. These are the colors. And now let's get my smudger. I may have to change my makeup brush because I don't think I like this brush for what I'm attempting to do. Nope. Way to go with this other smudger, the skinnier one. I just always like to do a base coat. I don't know why. And the color that I used is that one. These are not named, so I can't even give you guys names. Then let's go with Dramatic Orange. I feel like I gear to orange a lot. I don't know why. But I do. I just like the way orange looks. Yeah. Yep. There I went. Messing up my eye. Messing up my skin, actually. I breathed in some of the color. That will be my daughter in the background crying. As we're watching Bubble Guppies, if you didn't hear Bubble Guppies, please YouTube don't say that I copy wrote anything. I didn't. She's just in the background. Okay, I'm back. I cleaned my eyes a little bit and had to retouch my face because the makeup fell, and then I put my daughter to take a nap because she was tired. Oh, now my son is coming up. Let's see if I'll be able to finish this. I'm going to try to put some of this light color like in the crease as well, just to give a little shimmer. Alright, then I want to do this shimmery orange. Actually, I should test it on my hand, see if it's light. Oh, it's pretty light.
Thank you, Papa.
You're welcome.
It's like not that shimmery, guys. I'm really a little disappointed because I want to kind of like some ba-bam in my eyes, but maybe I can get some of this highlighter that my son destroyed. Do you see it? Yeah, completely destroyed it. We're trying to get some of that highlighter, like right here, to give me some shimmer. Then I can go over with some of the orange, so it won't look too contrasting. I think I went a little bit too crazy on this side. But now I'm gonna do what I did there. And I'll just go with that shimmery orange again. Over. Yeah, it worked. And of course now we have to make it dark again. I'm gonna go back with the dark. Just go on the crease. Just to give it some color definition. I keep saying give it the color definition. I don't know. Yeah, that's a proper term for that. I feel like this side is darker than this side, and I don't know why. And I can't tell why. But it just is. Just a little bit on my under eye. And on this side. And then I'm going to take that highlighter color, because I really like that highlighter color. And I'm going to put that on the inside part right here. I won't let it blend together there. And be careful it doesn't go underneath your eye into your Actually, I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna clean out under my eyes. I'm gonna do some eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. It is a vegan brand. It's called The Beauty Crop. That's the brand, and the eyeliner is called Winged Woman. I'm just gonna do it because I don't want to do it on camera. I'm not a professional yet, and it makes me nervous. So, and then I'll come back with my eyeliner done and my mascara done, and then we'll do my face. All right, so the mascara that I'm using is a organic brand. It's called Skin to Spirit. This is it. I love this brand. I use their eyeliner and their mascara. Well, I'm not gonna say I love this brand, but I like this brand a lot. I used to like research organic stuff, and then I had him, and then I got pregnant with my daughter, and then I like fell off the organic train, and I'm like getting back on it. I remember with him I used to use everything that was natural, organic, and then I don't know what happened. Oh, it got expensive. That's what happened. But now with Amazon and all these deals that go on all the time, it's easier to be organic than back. It's crazy how things change in 3 years. Because in 2015, it was very expensive to live an organic life. And now it's like not that hard. Companies are starting to realize like, hey, people want natural stuff. We don't want these chemicals or these harsh things. So it's making its way through the channels. Using the It Cosmetics CC Cream Full Coverage. Just a little bit because this is not my skin tone. I should really invest in buying one that is my overall color. Oh, I already did my eyebrows earlier before we started the video. I never even mentioned that. Just to contour a little bit, and it give me that summer glow. I like to use bronzer instead of a contour. if I'm going to do like a summer look. Because the bronzer has that like shimmer to it. Alright.
Dada, look, mommy, look. What's this? Look.
What?
Look.
Oh, it's a bracelet.
Yeah.
My son. I'm not gonna go too heavy on it to give me like the natural tan look. Okay. Just a little bit, and then I'm gonna use their blush. I really like it. It's like a peachy color, which it goes perfect with this look that we're doing. I like it a lot. And then of course, I'm not gonna go with the highlighter. This highlighter is actually really good. I like it a lot. It's not like the best highlighter, but it's a really nice highlighter. And gives you that nice little glow that you need. Kind of put it on thick there, but can never have too much highlighter. Highlighter right here. I'm gonna put too much. Sasia Beverly Hills, very shimmery. It's called Parfait Lip Gloss. It goes perfect with our look for today. If I can open it. Ah, can't do this. That. I still feel like I look really pale color. I'm like so pale. Alright. Is my look for this. I feel like these earrings, I'll put a link down below to my friend. They're $5 from Paparazzi Jewelry. And my bracelets is from PuraVida. If you use my code ChrysalisPipkin20, you get 20% off. So it's for good cause. It helps artisans around the world, and they're just so cute, and they're perfect for festival vibes now. So yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you don't already, please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you do. And have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. Bye now.